everyone, welcome to our podcast. I'm Valerie Aprilia, your host for today. In this episode, we're going to talk something simple but very meaningful. It's about the fading culture of saying three magic words: please, sorry, and thank you. Let's explore why these words are disappearing and why they still matter in our daily life. But before that, let me introduce you guys to my special guests, Tania and Zara.
Hi Valerie, we are happy to be here.
And we're excited for today's episode.
Guys, now I'm going to ask you some questions, both of you. I need your point of view in this several questions. Let's start with a simple question. The first one is, why do people use polite words less frequently nowadays?
Well, I think many people have become less mindful of manners because of change in communication style, especially online. These words have lost their real meaning, and people say them automatically without real feeling. For example, a study in Medan showed that many people say sorry just avoid conflict, not because they truly feel sorry.
True. Nowadays, when we are texting, we often replace thank you to thanks. I know it's quicker, but it doesn't feel sincere anymore.
Oh my gosh, that's so true. We text like we're in the speed competition nowadays. No time for feeling, just vibes. Thank you suddenly becomes to thanks, and then okay becomes K. It's like, excuse me? At this point, even robots are more emotional than us, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's move on to the next question. This question is about friendship. Do you guys think these magic words still matter between close friends, you all think?
Yes, I guess. Honestly, the status often disappears because we feel like we're best friends. We're unwilling to use please, which is complicated, and we prefer to just say like gas or lanjut. We say sorry quickly but not deeply. And do you guys know these emojis can mean please, sorry, or even thank you. So the meaning becomes unclear.
Yes, for example, when we had a PowerPoint excitement, instead of saying, "Hi, can you fix the slide about introduction?" But we say, "Fix the introduction." And we want to be fast and casual.
Facts, when we're close friends, we act like manners didn't exist. No please, no sorry, no nothing. It's just gas, fix it, lanjut. Like, hello, we're friends, not factory workers on Nick. Say please, and then everyone stare at you like, bro, why are you so formal? Calm down, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, the next question is about schools and families. Do you guys think that schools and families plays a role in the fading of these words?
Yes, definitely. Families and school should teach empathy and politeness. But now, many adults value grades and technology more than manners. When children don't get real example, they don't learn how to use this word sincerely.
Yeah.
Yes, many parents rarely say thank you or sorry to their children, so kids grow up without real life examples.
Absolutely. Kids copy what parents do, not what parents post on the Instagram story about parenting. If parents never say sorry or thank you, then kids grow up thinking those words are unnecessary. Okay, guys, so this is the last question that I need your POV. The last question is, what happens when people stop using this word sincerely?
It causes space between people. Conversations become cold and emotionless. Without empathy, people may communicate efficiently, but lose the warmth that keeps the relationship strong.
Yes, true. For example, when someone help us and we forget to say thank you, it can make them feel disrespected, even if we didn't mean it.
Exactly. When we forget to say thank you, people feel invisible, like group members who do all the works but their name magically disappear from the PPT or PowerPoint. It takes literally 2 seconds to say thanks, but the impact is like drinking iced coffee after a long day. Instant happiness. Okay, all, thank you for giving all your POV on those questions. That was really nice. So today, guys, we learned that please, sorry, and thank you are more than just a polite expression. They show empathy, respect, and even gratitude. We should use them sincerely, both online or offline, because they help maintain emotional connection between everyone else. Okay, everyone, before I end this discussion for today, I want to say last thank you for Tania and Jara to joining with me and sharing their thoughts.
Okay, thank you so much to Valerie having us today.
And we are so happy to be invited here.
And thank you for the listening to Turning In. Don't forget to use magic words every day. It's thank you.
Sorry.
And please.
Let's make the world a kinder place, starting from ourselves. See you in the next episode. Bye.